Getting me. All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and your. Are you getting me? All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. Yeah. Know you fell in love, and nobody caught you. And I got your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh. Now you wake up chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh. My baby sick of me, oh. Your body, oh. Now you wake up chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Prepare the rest, you my toy to manto. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Cause your mama born you, your mama born you well.
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been some time now. Lockdown has been raised. Who else misses outside and love to go for jogging just like me? And I thought I'd show you guys how the outside looks like. Actually, in my neighborhood, we are free now. You know, it's very refreshing to go for a walk in the morning when you're off work.
I saw you from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk?
Actually, this place is so breathtaking. Coming to me. Hey, you, duckling. Hey, you, duckling. I didn't bring bread for you. Next time, I'm gonna bring you some bread, okay? Oh, and then it's going back. Quack, 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 quack. How beautiful, guys. How breathtaking is nature to you guys.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, make what I got in me to go far away.
Today is a bit cloudy, but we are still going to make the best day out of it. So it's gonna be a picnic day.
Where the sun is, I am looking for a sister. Your mama lover, she get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, sure. You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, make what I got in me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Your mama lover, she get the dollar. She there where the sun is. I am looking for a sister. Your mama lover, she get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance. Assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Beautiful too. I want to hold you. Girl, I love you. Girl, I wanna love you. Yeah. Know you fell in love and nobody caught you. And I got to your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh. Now, yeah.
The views, guys, the views. And the Lord said, let there be forest, views, and nature in Thuringen State, Germany. A close-up of our picnic food, guys. This apple pie recipe is in my live stream video, and you're going to find the link in the description box. If you miss it, be sure to check it up. It's so yummy.
Girl got the liver, call a little. Till I make you come to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Your mama love her. She enter Atlanta. She go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. Your mama love her. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's boy check, yeah. Music for the girl.